everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk about vehicle kits for cars and trucks. Before that, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below here. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. If you have any friends, neighbors, relatives, coworkers that might be interested in these type videos, please go ahead and share it out. There's a button down here as well to says share, so you can share it out on multimedia, or you can just copy the URL up here and email it out to them. Alrighty, so got to get my note card here because there's a lot bit of things to cover here. I'm going to try to cover it quickly here for you. A car kit is for the car. It's not for you. What do you mean it's not for me? Well, simple. You're not going to put food in there. You're not going to have water bottles of drinking water. You're not going to have spare clothes for you. It's things to keep the vehicle going. Those other things will be in your personal kit you'll have in the car. That's not a car kit. That's your personal kit, whether it's a get home bag or get a bug out bag, whatever it is, that's yours. But this is the vehicle bag. And so what's in the vehicle bag? Jumper cables, flares, those are little reflective warning signs, or a strobe light, flashlight, gloves. The gloves are only for when you're working on the vehicle, to keep your hands from getting greasy and oily if there's some problem. A small toolkit to be able to take care of minor repairs. Spare fuses. A little portable air compressor, 12 volt, plugs into the cigarette lighter, so if your tire gets low, you can air it back up. Snow chains. I want to point out this. Now, well, I live in Florida. I don't need snow chains. True, you don't need snow chains. And those in the north that have the little bag or the box that has a snow chain that's in it, you usually put those in during the winter time. But there's another little thing here I want to show you right here. Boom. These zip tied snow chains. Even if you live in Florida or Texas, whatever, a set of these might not be a bad thing to have, because you're out in the mud, they can help you get unstuck. Give you a little extra traction to bite in to get you out. A quart or two of oil and tape, duct tape, electrical tape, something where you can tape stuff up. Now, these are just a few of the items that you should put into your car kit. So hopefully this helps you get started on getting a car kit that works for you. All right. So in the meantime, stay happy. Don't get upset by anything life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish, and stay prepared. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.